Welcome to beautiful, sunny Whidbey Island, Washington. I'm out here on this vacant piece of land just off of Jones Road, north of Duguala Bay. This lot used to have a house on it, and we recently removed it, which means you have all of the utilities and everything ready to go for your dream home. You see behind me here, this is the well house. Well, already dug. Power right at the road, ready to go. If you follow me this way, the driveway's already installed all the way down to the building envelope. Septic tank over here and drain field, and 2 more acres beyond. This is a 3-acre lot just north of Duguala Bay. Beautiful sunny weather, ready for you to come out and get a tour of the land and see what you'd like to build. So let me know. My name's Tim Miller with Windermere Real Estate, and give me a call, 360-969-0669. I'd be happy to show you. Thanks.